In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add www to domain on Cloudflare. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to comment about what it means to add www to a domain on Cloudflare and what you can consider regarding this. So first, unlike traditional domain registrars like GoDaddy and Namecheap, Cloudflare focuses on DNS management and doesn't directly add www to your domain in the conventional sense. This is because Cloudflare manages DNS records. It acts as a middleman between your domain name and the server hosting your website. You point your domain's DNS records to Cloudflare and they handle the routing traffic. And www is a subdomain. It is a subdomain that serves the same website content as the root domain without www. So you have some main approaches that you can consider. For the one that I'm going to show in this video, all that you have to do is first log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you log into your dashboard, you will be able to find all of the domains currently attributed to your account and select the domain that you want to configure. In there, go over to the page rules section and you will find the option to create a page rule. Now, in the for field, enter your domain, replacing it with your actual domain name, of course, and this is going to be a wildcard rule that matches any path on your domain, so include asterisks. Afterwards, leave the settings blank for now and scroll down into the actions field. You will then be able to choose the forwarding URL option. This will then allow you to access the to field where you can input your new domain, replacing it with the new domain alongside www. This is going to ensure that the user's intended path after www is preserved during redirection. Make sure that you select the permanent redirection type or status code, also known as 301, and you will be able to save to create this page rule record. Once this is done, you will now be able to add www to any domain that you want through Cloudflare. So once again, go over to your dashboard, select the domain name that you wish to configure, and access the page rules, where you will be able to create a new page rule where you will enter your domain as a wildcard rule that matches any path on your domain and pick a setting related to the forwarding URL. You will then be able to include the destination with www, and every single piece of traffic that goes on your domain is going to have www now. I hope I was able to help you on how to add www to domain in Cloudflare. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.